Howdy y'all, this is my activity set 6 video explaining my speech 2 topic and some of the analogies I'm going to be using. So my speech 2 topic is going to be over quantum computers and how they work and the differences between quantum and classical computing. And so one of the things I'm going to be discussing is the differences in their data storage units, which is a bit versus a qubit, and I'm going to be using a coin flip to help kind of explain their differences. So basically, a bit can only represent data as a 0 or a 1, so like heads or tails, whereas a qubit can represent data as 1s, 0s, and also account for the uncertainty of outcomes. So basically, it can store data as either heads, tails, or also store data as, when you flip a coin, when it's in the air, it's uncertain what its outcome is going to be when it lands. So it can represent data as heads, tails, and also that uncertainty while it's in the air, if that makes sense. Then the other analogy I'm going to be using is to help explain the difficulty of keeping qubits in coherence, which basically means that when qubits are in coherence, they're entangled, and the difficulty comes with entangling multiple qubits. So basically, the analogy I'm going to be using is I'm calling swing set analogy. So basically, it would be like pushing 2 kids on a swing at the same time, or 2 swings at the same time. It's easy to keep them parallel with each other, but if you add even one more swing, another swing onto that, it becomes really difficult to have them swinging all in the same direction at the same time. That's basically some of the difficulties that comes with entangling qubits, is it's difficult to maintain that parallelism. So those are going to be 2 of the analogies I'm going to be using in my speech. That's the coin flip analogy and the swing set analogy. So yeah.